Everyone has their own experience in their journey. buyer and seller in the stock price because you are used to it. Are you a value investor that do not care about the technical, just relying on the fundamental of the company and only would like to know the stock price the next few years? These usually people who trade in large amount who do not want to know in either short or medium term results. They would like to know what happened to their investment in a year or few years later, and making 10 to 20% is sufficient for them. There is also a type of trader and investor that we call as a mechanical trader. For mechanical trader, they trade based on the average calculation of price of the stock in the past. They heavily use the buy and sell indicator to determine how many people are buying and selling the equities in the past and use the information to predict next movement. I will share more with you on how to use several common indicators that being commonly used by traders in the next course. There is also a real chartist that determine the aggressiveness of buying and selling and use the chart pattern in the past to trade. For me, this method has shown to be a very reliable method and being used by a lot of professionals to make buying and selling decisions in the market. In the advanced chartist section, I will reveal to you on how a simple method on chartist change the way you see the chart pattern and use it to be profitable in the market. It is a really an effective way to gain profit in the market. In the advanced chartist course, you will learn an advanced course that have more than 70% accuracy. It can be higher if you have passion and implement it for long term. Stick to the rules and you will be making a lot of money in the market. I believe by combining technical and fundamental analysis would lead to a great company selection. You have higher probability to success and the stock going in your favor. According to success mentor around the world, normally it takes 3 to 5 years for a person to specialize and succeed in what they are doing. This same goes to trading. With the right mentor, the path of education would be easier for you to achieve success.